Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. So today I'm going to build this little tool tote for you, whatever you want to call it. I'm using it to carry my glue bottles around. I have a couple bottles of glue, a couple of squeeze bottles back here, a little bottle that does my biscuit joints, and some little applicators, some acid brushers, you know, something to keep all the glue stuff together. But you could do anything with this. This could be a little toolbox. It could be anything. I'm going to do this video a little bit different. I'm only going to talk right now and then to say thanks at the end of the video and one little interruption in the middle. Other than that, I'm not going to talk during this video. I'm going to actually do a whole bunch of kind of short little clips of all of the techniques to make this, edit them all together for you so you can see the actual build. I think it's a good way to show you how to do the build. I've seen a lot of guys do this on YouTube. It seems to work well, so I'm going to give it a try here. Let me know what you think. So here we go. Hey guys, sorry about this. Quick interruption to silent mode. I wanted to explain these two rip cuts I just made. Two reasons for it. First and foremost, I made a mistake at the sander and I kind of rounded too far down here. You can see it kind of rounds. And the old version, I would have had a little gap at the rounding for the last inch or so. So that fixes that problem. The other one, this just proportionally looks a little better in my mind at this height than up here. It made the ends look a little stubby. So fixing my mistake also made it proportionally look better. That's why I made this rip cut. If I just went in silent mode and did this rip cut, it would have confused you all. So that's why I jumped in here to explain that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like that. As you can see, this little tool tote came out nice. It looks good. I made several mistakes making this thing, and that's going to be the next video, believe it or not. I have recorded every mistake I made while I did this. Everybody makes mistakes, guys. I'm not trying to call out stupidness here. What I want to tell you is how I got over my mistakes, what I did to get to this point, which is a functional little tool tote. So that'll be the next video next week. I'm kind of doing that in advance now for next Saturday because I'm going on vacation this week, so I want to get this one in the can for you today, and then that one next week for you, where we're going to talk about at least 6 mistakes I made making this thing. So that'll be next week's video. As always, I hope you liked this. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please hit the like button. And as always, please subscribe if you haven't yet. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next one.